One of my biggest mistakes about multiple streams of income in the past. I had 4 different sources of income. I was shuttling between the 4 hustles at the same time, all in the name of multiple streams of income. All 4 were side hustles. It was funny, because I couldn't boast of $50 every month as a result of that. Why is it that some people who call themselves entrepreneurs can be doing 4 businesses at the same time? Yet the dude is not making more than $50 a month. You're doing more than 1 business at the same time. You're doing so many things. But you cannot marry efforts for income. I'll tell you why. Society has pressured us into believing that the more income sources you have, the more money you make. But society does not add the last part, which is the major thing that you need to know, which is the more passive or recurring income sources you have, the more money you make. So if you are accumulating active income sources, you will be making less money. Why? Active income sources require you to trade your time, your energy, and your resources in order for you to produce cash flow. So if you are accumulating more and more active income sources, you're only going to be burning yourself out. I call it reducing your propensity to be productive per income source. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to expand your business and make more money. See you in the next video.